Dear students, welcome to this class. In this session, we are going to learn about the Sapotaceae family. Sapotaceae family is the flowering plants. The family having 65 genera and 800 species. Mostly they are found in tropical regions. This family is one of the milky latex families. It containing timber, edible flowers, fruits and oil seeds also. Systematic position of this family: class Dicotyledons, subclass Gamopetalae, series Heteromerae, order Ebenales, family Sapotaceae. Habit of this family: mostly the family species are trees or shrubs with lenticerous tissues in cortex and pith of all parts, secreting latex present in stem and leaves of this family. Manilkara sapota, it is an example for tree. Some of the examples of the family species: Trichopsis pentaphylla, it is an example for shrub. Mimosaups elenchi, it is example for tree. Coming to the vegetative character of this Sapotaceae family: root. The family root system is taproot system because it is dicotyledons, so that taproot system present. Root having branches, so branched. Next one, stem. Stem is erect condition, that means it grows straightly. Stems grows straightly. Stem may be woody. Branches are present. Leaves are simple and alternate. One leaf present on one node, another leaf present on above node or next node. This kind of phyllotaxy is called as alternate phyllotaxy. Opposite condition: the leaves are rarely alternate condition in this family. Usually it is entire, that means leaves are smooth margin. That margin of leaves because entire. Next, leaf stalks, that is absent. Stipules are absent, so exstipulate. This family stipule are absent, sometimes present. Leaves are leathery, that means leaves tough or hard. Hard leaves present. Unicostate ecticulate venation, that means leaves are arranged in web-like or network-like structure. Next, floral characters: inflorescence. Inflorescence mean arranged of the flowers on a plant. Arranged of the flowers on a plant, that is inflorescence. Complete flower, that is present, that head, stem, stalk, flower, that is inflorescence. Here inflorescence is solitary, that means single flower developed from the axil of the leaf. Single flower developed from the axil of the leaf. Or cymose, that means inflorescence axis is terminated with flowers. Number of flowers are present below the first flower. Cymose means number of the flowers are present below the first flower. It is cymose. Inflorescence is axillary, that means It develops between stem and leaves. The axillary condition, inflorescence, axillary inflorescence developed between stem and leaves. Next one, flower. Flower is actinomorphic condition. That means if we cut the flowers into equal half in any plant, cut the flowers into equal half in any plant, that is actinomorphic. Most of the plant species having actinomorphic condition. This family also having actinomorphic condition. And flower is here hermaphrodite, that means bisexual. Male reproductive sex organ and female sex organ present in the same flower. Such kind of the flower called as bisexual or hermaphrodite. This family flower is hermaphrodite, that is male and female sex organ present in the same flower. Flower is regular and hypogynous, that means perianth and stamens are attached to the receptacle below the gynoecium. Perianth, that means it consists calyx and corolla. Calyx and corolla, it consists calyx and corolla, that is perianth. Stamen means male reproductive organ or androecium. The perianth and stamen are attached to the receptacle below the gynoecium, that is hypogynous. Bracteolate, that means small leaf-like structure present at the base of the flower stalk. Small leaf-like structure present at the base of flower stalk, that is bracteolate. Tetra or pentamerous. Flower is tetra or pentamerous. Sepals and petals are present. 4 or 5 petals or sepals are present. Next, calyx. Calyx is one of the valve. Calyx is one of the valve. It is outermost valve of the flower. Calyx is the outermost of the valve and made up of sepals. It protects the other valves. Calyx protects the other valves. Other valves are androecium, gynoecium and corolla. Here calyx sepals 4 to 8 in 2 valves. Sepals are 4 or 8 in 2 valves or 5 in 1 valve. Free or slightly united at the base. Calyx is imbricate, that means overlapped condition. One of the overlaps at the margin of the 2 adjoining members. One of the overlaps the margin of the 2 adjoining members. Next one, corolla. Petals 4 to 8. Here more or less united. Here no free condition. Here more or less united condition. Equal to the number of sepals arranged in one valve. Here united, so gamopetals. Petals are united, so gamopetals. Lobes are imbricate. Corolla lobes are imbricate. Rarely petals with dorsal appendages. Next one, androecium. Androecium is a male reproductive organ or stamen of flower. Stamens of flower is a androecium. Androecium, it consists stamen, filament and connective tissue. anther, phlegm and unconnected tissue. Andesium consists anther, phlegm and unconnected tissue. Andesium produced in the pollen grains. Phlegm and helps to produce the pollen grains and spread the pollen grains. Andesium of this family, stamens are 4 or 5, sometimes more in 2 or 3 whorls. And epipetalous, that means anther is attached with the petals of the flower. Anther is attached with the petals of the flower. It is epipetalous. Outer wall of stamen usually reduced into staminoids. There is sterile stamens are present. Stamen would mean sterile stamen. Andesium is bithecous. That means each anther has 2 lobes. Each anther has 2 lobes which are attached by connective tissue. That is dithecous or bithecous. Introse, that means pollens are released, releasing the pollen towards the center of the flower, releasing the pollen towards the center of the flower. It is introse. Next one, gynecium. Gynecium is a female reproductive organ or pistil. It produces ovules. Gynecium produces ovules. Andesium produces pollen grains. Gynecium produces ovules. You can understand the difference between andesium and gynecium and their work. It produces ovules, then develop into fruit and seeds. The ovule develop into fruits or seeds. Gynecium having carpels. The gynecium, it consists of ovary, stigma and style. Stigma having sticky part. It is used to catch the pollen grains. Style used to helps to catch the pollen grains. The gynecium of this Sapotaceae family, here carpels are 4 to 8 or more. Here syncarpus. The pin carpels are united. Here carpels are united condition. Ovary. Ovary is superior and locules are many. Gynecium locules are many. So it is multilocular. And axial placentation. That means number of carpel present in the gynecium. It fused with margin and grow to united of central place. Then placenta formed. Such kind of placentation is called as axial placentation. Once again I repeat, number of carpel present in the gynecium. It fused with margin and grow to united of central place. Then placenta formed. Such placenta is called as axial placentation. And one anatropous ovule in each locule. Here in this gynecium, another locule having one anatropous. Each locule having one anatropous ovule. And style is simple. Stigma is not clear. Stigma visible is not clear. Next, fruit. Berry mean pulpy or juicy. Some of the species of this family fruit is berry. Rarely drupe-like fruits also present in this family. Drupe mean fleshy fruit with a thin skin and central stone containing the seed. Fleshy fruit with a thin skin, central stone containing the seed. This kind of fruit is drupe. In this family species, and their fruit are berry, rarely a drupe condition. Seeds are few, are one in each fruit. Seeds present few, or one in each. Endosperm is oily or non-endospermic condition, and their seed is shiny. The seed is shiny. The family species seed is shiny. Then pollination. In pollination, helped by insects. Pollination pollinated by insects. The Endomophilus. Ovary is converted into fruit after the pollination. After the pollination, ovary is converted into fruit. This process of this pollination pollinated by Endomophilus. Floral formula. We know the symbol of floral formula. First one, actinomorphic. That means they radially symmetric type of flower. They can divide into two equal parts in any plane. They can divide into equal parts in any plane. So here first symbol is actinomorphic. Second one, male and female sex organ present in the same flower. Androecium or gynoecium present in same flower. So hermaphrodite are bisexual. The second symbol is bisexual. Third one, calyx or sepal. Here 4 to 8. Sepals are 4 to 8 or 5. Here free condition, so there is no bracket. Next one, the symbol is corolla or petal. Here 4 to 8. Corolla are 4 to 8. Androecium. Next symbol is androecium. That is infinitive. Next one, gynoecium. Gynoecium is infinitive. Androecium there is free condition, so there is no bracket. Gynoecium there is united or fused, so bracket included. And below the line also present, that is ovary superior. This floral formula having one additional symbol between the androecium and corolla. That means androecium fused with corolla. This symbol is additional symbol. That means androecium associated with the corolla. It is epipetalous. I hope this video to learn about the Sapotaceae family. Thank you.